Alrighty then, I've got a board loose underneath the trailer. It's a board that makes the bed that this sits on, and it floated when I got under here, so it's sticking up. So I'm gonna go under the boat and see if I can mash that thing down. The boat's all hooked up here, so I can't go anywhere. Luckily the water's nice and warm. I knew that board was loose, but I was thinking it might pop up. But it didn't. Well, maybe I can push it down before I pull out. Because when I pull it out, the back of the boat's going to go down and sit on it. We're pretty good on here, actually. Come on, baby, get on down in there. Now, if that stays about right there, I think it'll be about perfect. While I'm under here, I'm going under. Ah, boy, that feels good. I'll go back up on the boat, grab a towel to sit on, and then we'll haul this out of here. Life is good here in Georgia. I've been watching a lot of videos of people coming for the soccer games and talking about how great America is. I tell you what, it's really been reassuring and exciting. You know, we hear so much bad news and we get so much bad stuff thrown at us every day online. And to see people that don't even live here coming and raving about how amazingly wonderful it is here, well, that's really awesome. I like that. I want more of that. I'd rather see that than see a bunch of television pundits talking about how bad everything is and how bad everything's going to be and all that stuff. So it ran actually pretty good coming over here. It did still skip a little, but it was better than it was the day before. So I'm guessing that gas treatment might have helped a little. I ordered some new plugs for it, but they won't be here till tomorrow. But I do have a fresh fuel filter, and I put a fuel filter in this last time I had it out, but still, since it's not running good, I'll look at that. I'm gonna go ahead and get the cover off the motor, look at that filter, and anything else I see there that looks like it might be a concern. Oh, the joy. I'm gonna take you off, put you on a magnetic thing. You can watch the boat come out. We'll just put you right here for that. Not a lot of boats here today. That's good. Means we got the whole place to ourselves, y'all. Wee doggies.